This right here is a brand new Lefant M3. Their brand new mini flagship, huge value, so check this out. With the 360 degrees dToF navigation, a full 190 degrees PSD obstacle avoidance and Freemove 3.0 sensors, the M3 glides around your home with surgical precision, dodging any sorts of furniture, walls and even pet bowls, you name it, kids toys, everything. It's redefining what smart cleaning really means. This compact tiny powerhouse packs serious intelligence into a sleek 32 centimeters frame, perfect for homes with pets, carpets or tight spaces. But it's not just smart, it's actually self-sufficient. Because the M3 not only has a great base, it also combines 45 degrees hot water, washing with cold air drying, for bacteria and odor-free mops, and also a 3.5 liters dust compartment, or rather dust collection bucket, for a truly hands-free experience that will last up to months. Add in dual spinning mops at 200 RPM, 10,000 PA suction power, and still an impressive 220 minutes battery life, and you're looking at a professional grade cleaner that goes the distance. And the price point is really shocking, so whether it's pet hair, spills or the daily dust, the Lefant M3 promises spotless floors, zero effort and a smarter home. So yeah, looks and sounds amazing, right? But is it actually that good? Well, let's find out. New drip. Got the new drip from Lefant, the M3 robot vacuum. And by the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you here. Now, let's check it out. Here we have the box. We can see the device on the front side. We have nice carrying handles, and in here, right on top, we have this quick start guide right there, very detailed, and I will show it to you right now. Points for attention, as well as usage prep and how to add cleaning solution and the app, of course. We also get a little guide on how to take it out. And right here we have a box with accessories. We will check it out in a bit. I will already get it all out, so we can remove this divider. Very nice layout. Let's put it all on the table right here. Spare parts, tons of spare parts, really nice to see. And then also thick padding. And in here we have the actual device. So just like that. And the box is now empty, so let's move on right away. Laid out on the table, we have the rotating bristles. First of all, 2 of those. We have this little tool for getting off stuck hair, cutting them, and this little brush right there for cleaning the robot. We also get a 2-stage HEPA filter for the filter basket, as well as the mopping discs right here, magnetic, really nice to see. And we also have 2 spare ones right here in this bag. So as I said, tons of spare parts. We also get another bag for the collection bin, of course the cable for the wall outlet, and a nice touch is also the included floor cleaner. And on the back we have all the small print, the ingredients and its orange scent. And lastly the paperwork, front and back, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, how to clean it, and the specs overview. And here we have the last page. So to recap, paperwork, the cable, the cleaning solutions, lots of spare parts. Done with the unboxing, and let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. The wrap is already gone, but we still have more protective padding on the robot, which is also wrapped up. So there we, oh wow, there we have it, absolutely beautiful. The whole tray, you can take it out. Very nice system, I like it a lot. It will pop in place. The robot has more protective stuff on it. Oh, it's beautiful. Super small footprint, very compact, and nice tanks on the top as well. So yeah, let's take a close look. So I will take it apart first of all, take out the robot, the tray, like that, and we can also open it up. Wow, nice modular system. So let's actually start with the base. So the front side right here will house the bag, and in here of course the charging contacts, and it will suck out the debris through here. On top of the base we can insert the cleaning solution. In here the sides are nice and shiny, pearl white body right there, as you can see. And on the back we have the vent holes as well as the small print in here, and right underneath this flap we also have a secret port. We can power it up right there, and not to forget the floor, the bottom, 4 nice rubber feet. And now let's put it back together. So first of all, we have the cover for the dust compartment. So yes, it's a base station that will make it fully autonomous, and it's also magnetic. That's awesome. We can see the magnets in here, 4 of them. Wow, that's crisp. Then we have the clean water tank, my bad. So there it is. We can open it up like that. Absolutely beautiful. Let's close it up and put it on top of the base. Then we have the dirty water tank, and same here. Little sensor in there, well, say little switch that will tell you when you have to empty it out. Also on top of the base, and we can not do it the wrong way. It will just fit one way. You can't go wrong, it's perfect. And the last part, the base, of course, the tray. You can super easily rinse this out, clean it. This is of course for the mop washing, and it will snap in place. And actually, let me show you, we have the release mechanism right there on both sides. So when we slide it in, it will pop in place nicely. And now let's also check out the robot. So the top is absolutely beautiful. Of course, the cover is also magnetic with 3 of them. And the hexagons are bestagons. Love that. In here we have a rather large dust compartment. That's what I call full size. Even though the robot is very small, goes to show how capable all the components are. And we still get incredible suction power. So the HEPA filter in here, again, we have a spare one for that as well. So this bot will go a long way. The LiDAR dome on top. In the front, of course, all the top-notch sensors. Here on the back, the charging contacts, and the bottom side looks very, very clean. 2 nice spring-loaded wheels. All the small print right here. And now we can simply slide in the mops. Again, magnetic, very convenient. And to complete this bot, we also can insert the bristle, well, the roller bristle. And now we can also check out right here the roller brush with the V-shape dual hybrid solution, and we also have a little comb in here, anti-tangle tech. Love to see that, so I'm sure this will yield great results, not only when it gets to cleaning, but also when it gets to the hands-off, autonomous, self-reliant cleaning. So, covering up everything, and just like that, we are ready to go. Not bad, right? So let's set it all up, check out the app, and then, of course, test it. So here we go, this should be the perfect placement, and the setup literally is as simple as plugging in the cable, just like that. Then of course powering up the base. This should now already charge up the robot. A little bit of cable management. Then we also can fill up the clean water tank, and the inlet for the cleaning solution is also easily accessible, so we can just put one in right there. There we go, large capacity, and we are set up.
Welcome to use the Lefant robot vacuum. Please scan the body QR code, download the correct app, and connect to internet to get a better experience.
Right, so it's time to get the app and then of course check it out. We have the app right here, that's the publisher, there is only one Lefant app. So let's open it up, sign up, enter the email, get the code right there, enter the password, agree to this down here and sign up. Right on. So we have our home dashboard, we have the message center and the account tab, about the app, all of that good stuff, user guides, feedback. So let's add a device, accept that, give it all the permissions, and let's go. So let's click the button to wake it up. It will talk to us once again. 6 seconds.
Please connect to the wireless network according to the instructions on the mobile app.
Next step. And wait for the pairing to complete.
Connection successful.
Right on, real-time feedback put into service. So little guide, whole house, I got it. Enter the equipment control page. So that's our new dashboard right here. We have some quick shortcuts right there. We can see the charge level if it's online, the cleaning history, as well as tasks and scheduling. We have the shortcut for cleaning and also for a recharge. So I didn't put it in correctly, so it can do it much better than me. Right. It's now charging. So let's enter the device and check it out. So we have usage nodes 1, 2, map switch right here for multiple floors. We have cleaning preferences, and we also have a do not disturb mode. Oh well, first of all, we need to do the upgrade. Let's go through the settings. We have the cleaning records. This will get filled up over time. We have the schedules, and we can create one right here. We can name the task, we can set the cleaning mode. Here is the do not disturb mode, right? Here we can select the continue cleaning. This is obviously great to have. so I turn it on. Smart sensing is good to have as well. Then we have the base station settings. We have the mop washing interval in 4 different options. We have the mop wash settings. Hot water is best, and we have the drying time. 3 hours seems to be a good middle ground. Auto dust collection, let's turn it off and on again so that you can see that we also have a collection mode, so smart or energy saving depending on the size and also cleanliness of your home. Then we have the device volume, right? Carpet cleaning, we can also turn on the booster, that's great to have. Then down here we have the upgrade, we can call the robot, right? We have a remote control, so you can also have a bit of RC car fun with it. You can go for a spot cleaning, set up the voice assistant and report problems, and also the product info right there. And we can factory reset and unbind the robot. So now it's time for the firmware update, and then we will already go for the mapping. So I will now wait for a proper charge level, do the upgrade, and then we will go for a first run. We are back, fully updated, upgraded, and we are ready for a first run, vacuum only. And now check out this map. Well, my room. Very tricky, tons of different objects in the way. We have a carpet. Back here we even have curtains. A little bit to the side. So as you can see, a very tricky room, to say the least. So let's enter the device. I will also turn off dust collection method. I will do it like this so that we can see what's actually accumulating inside of the machine. And now right here we can change the cleaning type, so vacuum only, standard mode. And later on we can also switch to custom, but first of all we need to do one cycle and create the map. So done and go.
Finding location. Please wait.
Right, so it will start right away. It's starting to create the map, and as you can see, the mops are all the way lifted up. All right, and it's already starting to actually vacuum. So let's just keep on watching and check back when it's done. And there we go, returning back to the base. We have the area, it was very fast and only 19% of the battery got used. Very complex area, as you can see, tons of intricacies, gaps, stuff that's in the way, but it did a fabulous job. So and now we can access the map. Okay, so tips, got it. Map saving, of course, let's activate that. We can also set no-go zones. For example, it literally went inside of the oven, which is actually not bad. But this area back here, I placed this little tray. It's this one right there. So we could also set a no-go zone, like right there. And this way we could just exclude this very easily and quickly. Now we also have the record right here. We can check it out, operation records, and we can even check out the details. So, and now, right, let's do a full mopping cycle as well. 15 minutes, save that. Oh, and by the way, great results. And I want to see what we caught.
Dust bin has been
Oh
taken
my
out.
goodness, that is actually crazy. Look at all those hairs. So we do have multiple pets in our home, and it actually shows tons of debris, ash. It's all in here. Wow, that's actually incredible. And there is no need to empty this out.
Dust bin set.
To empty this out manually, we can simply empty it out right there, dust collection. So, and there we go. That sounded like a thorough cleaning of the bin. And check it out, indeed, it's looking perfect. That's what I like to see.
Bin set.
Fully autonomous when it gets to the vacuuming. Yeah, now, as I said, let's check out the mopping capabilities as well. And go. So now it will first of all clean the mops, get them wet, and I'm also really curious to watch the lifting action in real time.
Finding location. Please wait. New environment detected. Cleaning started.
Very nice. We can see the trail. There's the carpet, and this is what the mops will look like in action, just like that. The trail is looking perfect. Check that out. So it did all the outlines, and now it will hit the carpet once again. So check this out. It stopped right in time, and that's perfect, doing the carpet with increased suction. Let's go. Perfect detection. And now when it will leave the carpet, check that out. And there we go. Back down. That's perfect. So let's watch it do the complete room and then check out how dirty the wastewater actually is. And there we go with the mopping. Now listen to this. The air drying is very, very silent. And before I forgot to check map saving, battery level still at 75%, so the battery life is amazing. And now we can finally go to the custom settings, so we can clean according to room preferences. We just need to select custom, well, cleaning customization. Then we can select for each room a different cleaning scenario, for example. So if this room is very dirty, we can clean it 2 times and also ramp up the power, for example. But more importantly, again, we get fabulous results. And now let's also check out how much dirt we actually picked up. So the dirty water tank, we have it right here, and let's dump it in. And as you can see, well, it's not that visible on the video, but the water is quite gray. Back in with the tank. And especially when you go for a shorter mop washing interval, you will pick up much more. So for example, like this, but then of course it will take much longer. But I think you get the point. Flawless results. The carpets will get detected, the mops will get lifted, and all in all, the floor is looking spotless and perfect. The map editing now looks like that. We have zone editing, we can split merge and repartition, and we also can set up a cleaning order 1 and 2, for example, just like that. So massive thumbs up from my side. The M3 is absolutely epic. So as you saw, excellent build quality as well as hardware with a great, neat and super small design, and all those features and capabilities for such an incredible price point. It's so much better than the competition in all regards, especially in this price segment. I'm amazed. Top tier value right here. Outstanding app, super customizable in all regards, and it goes to show that Lefant always brings top tier value to the table with great looking devices and a top of the line ecosystem. And after spending time with the Lefant M3, it's clear that this little robot brings big performance. The combination of hot water mop washing, the auto dust collection, as well as the AI-driven navigation really sets it apart from the typical robotic vacuums on the market. The brush design is extra pet friendly. It's also integrating a anti-hair tangle system, which makes it ideal for multi-pets, households even, while the multi-zone mapping, zone cleaning, as well as the do not disturb mode gives you full control over every detail and full peace of mind. With the super suction as well as smart obstacle avoidance and a compact body that just fits anywhere, the M3 delivers both brains and brawn in one sleek package. So if you've been looking for a robotic vacuum system that genuinely takes care of itself, is fully autonomous and looks outstanding, well, you're looking right at it. And that's of course definitely drippy, so check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.